Welcome to IBCWay.com, where English is never scary, but always fun and easy.
The vowel is the essential part of words that dictates their sound. Without a vowel, almost all syllables are silent. If you master vowels in English, you'll get much closer to native speaking. Let's get to the bottom of it all. What is a word? A word is a group of consonants and vowels that has meaning. Words are made up of syllables. And what is a syllable? A syllable is a meaningless unit of sound, consisting of either a single vowel or a vowel and one or more consonants. Vowels and consonants are called letters. The English alphabet has 26 letters, 5 vowels and 20 consonants, but Y is considered both a vowel and a consonant. The problem is, if you remember, we have 44 sounds in English with 20 vowels and only 5 vowels to represent them all. The good news is that each vowel has at least 3 sounds, a long sound, which is how we say them in the alphabet, a short sound, which is the sound vowels make when they are alone.
A, E, I, O, U or U.
And the schwa sound, which is the most commonly used sound in English. The 5 or 6 vowels can become a schwa if they are in an unstressed syllable. The Y, when acting as a vowel, is identical to the I. Here is an example. The vowel A can become a schwa as in the word Japan. The vowel E can become a schwa as in the word cinema. The vowel I can become a schwa as in the word serenity. The vowel O can become a schwa as in the word isolate. The vowel U can become a schwa as in the word inundation. The vowel Y can become a schwa as in the word syringe. Before we talk about the 3 sounds of vowels, we have to mention the R and N controlled vowels, which simply means that next to these 2 consonants, we mainly hear the sound of these consonants. For example, bar, her, stir, word, and burn. Hand, send, and sen are pronounced nasally and their sounds are extremely close because the vowels are dominated by the sound of N and sometimes by M and L, but L gives them all a sound close to
O.
Label, table, principle, to name a few. Beyond these exceptions, all vowels take on one of their 3 sounds. We'll make another video to show you how to decide which of the 3 sounds to choose. Now, let's review the 3 vowel sounds to help you speak English like a native speaker. Don't forget to subscribe, to encourage us, like, to give us visibility, and share, to help others. Thanks a million in advance! To read any word, you have to first decide which of the 3 sounds each vowel will take on. Let us review the 3 sounds of each of the 6 vowels. Sometimes, the long sound of vowels is called the alphabet sound, and the short shit of vowels is called the alone sound. The 3 sounds of the vowel A are either
A,
as in hate, or
A,
as in hat, or as in Japan. The 3 sounds of the vowel E are either
E,
as in heat, or
E,
as in bed, or as in cinema. The 3 sounds of the vowel I are either
I,
as in ice, or
E,
as in hit, or as in serenity. The three sounds of the vowel O are either
O,
as in note, or as in dog, or as in isolate. The three sounds of the vowel U are either
U,
as in cute, and
U,
as in fruit, because the vowel U has two long sounds, or as in cup, for the short sound, or as in inundation, for the schwa sound. Note that the sound U, for the vowel U, is made up of two distinct sounds. The 44th IPA sound, plus the long vowel sound for U, which is
U.
Remember, the part-time vowel Y behaves exactly as the vowel I. The three sounds of the letter Y when it is used as a vowel are either
I,
as in rhyme, or
E,
as in him, or as in syringe. Thanks for watching until the end. Believe me, if you understand the importance of this short video and play it as often as necessary, your English speaking and hearing will improve miraculously.